Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your Flybuys account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to flybuys.co.nz. Make sure you do have your account, log into your account and you will see this type of interface. Now, if you want to log out of your account, you can do it as well. Go ahead and click on this icon, which is your profile icon, and you can see sign out. Go ahead and click on sign out and you will be signed out of your Flybuys account. Let me teach it to you once again. Open any browser, go to flybuys.co.nz, log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create it. Now on Flybuys, it's quite easy. And after that, you will see this type of interface. After you have created your account, go ahead and click on your profile and you can see the sign out option. Just go ahead and click on sign out and you will be successfully signed out of your Flybuys account by now. I hope this video about how you can sign out of your Flybuys account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.